Yo, crew full of sack flippers.
Right.
We wanted cash, nigga, but we'll never sell our soul cause we can't take this cash with us. Rob me, you getting killed, and I bury the mask with you. Ain't rolling no frat niggas, just Broadway and Pratt niggas. The hood got a porch full of niggas that pass switches. All day with a radio on the steps that blast jigger. I don't fuck with snakes, yes men and ass kissers. I gotta cut them off, they ain't think that I had scissors. I got baptized, I was raised in the church, but I watched my mama struggle with no help that made me stray from the church. Had some goals and a dream, had to pray for it first. Now I'm the proof on how your whole life can change with a verse. I learned how to finesse niggas from the way that I flirt. I wore my heart on my sleeve, now I'm changing my shirt. Niggas slang on the curb, hookers raising they skirts. Bullets hit your flesh, leaving blood stains on the turf. It breaks my heart to see my pops chained in that prison. Had to fight back tears when a judge gave him a sentence. Cause when hard times come, we stumble but didn't fall. Cause I learned to stand up when my back was against the wall.